It's not just high-performing NVMe drives or super-fast external drives that Sabrent are well known for, expanding their already healthy portfolio with this, the Sabrent Thunderbolt 3 docking station. Sabrent's take on what a Thunderbolt 3 docking station should be looks rather promising on the spec sheet and promises an array of features. Being their only Thunderbolt 3 dock in the portfolio, it promises to deliver the most commonly used ports in a stylish overall design. Available in black as well as this sleek silver I have here, the Sabrent docking station features an all-aluminum outer casing with black plastic around the edges, and rubber feet on the bottom to stop the unit sliding around on your desk. With some branding across the top, at 9 inches long and 3.5 inches wide, this is a fairly hefty device, though no more than competing units, and the size is generally understandable given the amount of functionality it packs. Along with activity and power status LEDs to one side, when it comes to connectivity we find a SD card reader, along with two 5GB per second USB 3 Type A ports on the front, one of which can be used to provide power to devices such as smartphones or a tablet. Alongside these is a single audio in and out port, perfect for headsets and microphones. Around the back we find the unit's main power input, with a rather large power supply being included within the package, which is pretty much standard when it comes to Thunderbolt 3 docks. It does make the entire dock less portable, but considering this is designed to sit on your desk most of the time, the only problem is finding enough space behind your desk to house this thing. That hefty power brick not only helps provide power to all devices connected to the dock, but also provides 60 watts of power through one of the two Thunderbolt 3 ports on the rear, enough to charge most small notebooks, although if you're rocking Apple's 15 or 16-inch notebooks, then you'll still want to keep your original power adapter close by. The second Thunderbolt 3 port is used for daisy chaining other devices, a strong point with Thunderbolt 3, while alongside we find a HDMI 2 port capable of driving monitors at resolutions of up to 4K at 60Hz. Otherwise we find a standard Gigabit Ethernet port alongside another 3 USB Type A ports, bringing the total up to 5 on this one device. Personally, I would have preferred a dedicated USB Type C port across the front side of the device, but on the plus side I did find plenty of space between ports to get devices all connected alongside each other rather easily. Powered by an Intel Thunderbolt 3 control chip, this docking station has the potential to reach transfer speeds of up to 40 gigabits per second, depending on the type of connected device. Stylishly designed and solidly built, the Sabrent docking station is great for those who need extra functionality and display features for their notebook. This isn't a cheap unit though, and to be fair, Thunderbolt 3 devices are generally rather expensive. If you're after more flexibility, then there are other similarly priced docks that will provide a wider variety of ports already available. Although if you need plenty of USB Type A ports for your legacy devices, the Sabrent Thunderbolt 3 docking station will do nicely.